Namaskaram everyone, my name is Vasundhara Talware and welcome to the day 1 of the Diwali series. And today is the day of Vasu Baras. But before we get into that, let us understand why Diwali is celebrated in the first place. In my previous video, we saw what is Diwali and how and what the celebrations are like. But why is it celebrated? We shall see now. So Diwali is celebrated to welcome Lord Rama back in his town Ayodhya after 14 years of exile after he defeated the demon Ravan. And therefore people lit up streets with rows and rows of lamps to welcome him on this new moon night. Which means there was no light outside, but there were all these diyas lit up to celebrate his homecoming. There were crackers burst, there were sweets distributed, people wore new clothes, people were joyous and celebratory that their God, the one they worshipped and believed in, had come back after having served his exile with righteousness as his duty and performing all that he needs to just the way it should. So therefore, the Diwali series. And today being the Vasu Baras day, let us get into what that means. So Vasu Baras marks the beginning of the Diwali festival. On this day, the cow and her calf are worshipped. They're decorated and fed with all that is made of wheat and sweets. The cow, as you all must have heard, holds a very, very sacred place in Hindu mythology, especially mentioned in the Vedic scriptures. She is also referred to as Gau Mata. Gau means cow, Mata means a mother, and therefore she is worshipped and nurtured with utmost respect. Vasu Baras is also referred to as Nandini Vrat, as Nandini is the divine holy cow in Hinduism. Vasu Baras is also known as Govatsa Dwadashi in Maharashtra. There is an interesting legend associated with the origin of Govatsa Dwadashi. It is believed that when the demons and the gods were churning the ocean for nectar, 5 wish-fulfilling cows called the Kamdhenus emerged out of the ocean. One of these cows was the Nanda, who is worshipped on the day of Vasu Baras. Cows play a major role in Hindu culture. They worship because they are considered holy. And why are they considered holy? Because they not only give us milk, but they give us the cow dung, which serves as a manure, the urine, which is disinfectant and is said to let go all of the negativities in the environment, which is why most places, especially in rural India, sprinkle this urine all over their place, so all the negativity is taken care of. Similarly, it is used in medicines too, especially in Ayurveda, highly recommended for keeping you alive and agile and young forever. Not only this, but they are also considered to be Lord Krishna's favorite. It is also believed that on this day, there are a whole lot of amazing positive Chaitanya frequencies emitted by cows on this day. And therefore, when you hold a fast, keep yourselves as an empty vessel and also worship and pray to the mother cow. These frequencies get absorbed into you and make good for you. Hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. And I'll see you tomorrow in my next video, which is on Dhanteras. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button right there and share it with your loved ones so they too can enjoy the same. Thank you so much for watching and I love you very, very much. Mwah!